Hey friends, if you wish to import passwords, bookmarks, and history in the Opera browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Opera in the Windows search bar and open the Opera browser. Now, after opening the Opera browser, click on these three dots at the left bottom corner. Scroll down, and then click on this symbol for settings. Now type the word import in the search bar. You'll get this option for import bookmarks and settings, and it will ask you which browser do you want to pick it up from. I'll select Microsoft Edge. I want the browsing history, favorites, saved passwords, cookies, everything. Click on import and it will import all the bookmarks and everything. I can see them here. Okay. These are my bookmarks on Microsoft Edge as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.